Hey guys, welcome and congratulations on getting Vision. So what I'm going to do here real quick is I'm going to walk you through setting up Vision. You want to go to tradingview.com. That's our homepage that we're on right now that you can see. And then we want to just type in a ticker symbol. For this one, I'm just going to put Apple, AAPL, and hit enter. Now there is a bunch of helpful information right here on the screen. If you want to take a look at it later, feel free. But what we want to do is we want to click full featured chart right here. That's going to take us to a chart that looks like this if you've never used TradingView before. If you have used TradingView, you're already a step ahead of the game. So starting out here, we want to just change a few things around. Now we're up here at the top left, we see our ticker symbol, Apple. We see a couple time frame indications, and we see the chart type. What we want to do is we want to hit the bar style, and this will drop down a menu that looks like this. You'll see bars, candles, hollow candles, Heikin-Ashi line, area, etc. What we want to do is we want to make sure that we're using the Heikin-Ashi charts. This is what Vision is optimized for, so we want to make sure that we're going to stay on that chart. Okay, now that we got our chart on Heikin-Ashi candles, now we want to add Vision, right? So we're going to come up here to where it says FX. Some platforms will say FX indicators, and some will just say FX. Both of them are the same. Whichever one you got is fine. We're just going to click there on the FX tab. So now a window should pop up like this. We want to go down here to where it says invite only scripts with a little lock icon. We want to click there. You want to click where it says Vision in white next to the little lock. Click it one time. And now we can hit the X to close out this window. Now you see we got a couple of information boxes on our chart. This with little X's will say above it, go to the end of the chart. Over here it says welcome to Vision. Please click the gear icon to access the settings before I generate signals. If you're new to Vision, visit visionalgo.app/guide. So what this is telling us to do is come up here in the top left of the chart where it says Vision V1.3.6-5. We're going to want to click the gear where it says settings. Now what we want to do is read this little welcome message and then check our box right here. We want to choose whether we're going to be a beginner, totally new to trading. This will keep you on the 30-minute or higher time frames. And then right here on intermediate, this will keep you on the 5-minute and higher time frames. And then of course we have classic Vision. For me personally, I like the intermediate. Now I hit OK, and now you can see we have some signals on here. I personally day trade and scalp the 5-minute charts. So now I'm going to go to my 5-minute charts. You click the little down arrow there next to your time frames, and now you can change it to whatever time frame you'd like. If you have a bunch of little zeros here at the top of your chart, what we want to do is we want to come over here, hover over where it says Vision. We'll right click it, and right here where it says show indicator values, we're just going to uncheck that. I personally myself go back in here again and I uncheck the indicator arguments as well. It just kind of gets it tucked over there in the left side of the chart and out of my way. Okay, so scoping out here, what you'll see is we have a few different buy signals, a few different colors. We have some take profit signals on the top of the candles, some take profit and reversal risk on the bottom of the candles, and also some dots on top and bottom of the candles as well. So just a quick explanation of these signals. Our buy risk goes 1 through 5, and so the buy risk 1 is going to have the least amount of risk built into that signal there, and all the way up to buy risk 5. The buy risk 5 is going to have the most amount of risk built into it. Now this doesn't mean that the buy risk 5 isn't going to be a good signal. What that means is we're trying to give you a better indication of, hey, some stuff is given an indication here that it might be a little risky, but we want you to be able to get in here if you'd like to. Basically it just means proceed with caution. Some of these signals you'll see say Momo sell. We also have a Momo buy, and what that means is momentum. So it means whether it says momentum buy or momentum sell, that means there's a lot of volume rushing in right there where that signal's popping up in that direction. So if we get a Momo sell right here, that means there's a bunch of volume of sellers rushing in all at the same time right there. And so it's going to be a very fast moving candle. We also have take profit signals right here on the top of the candles, take profit signals on the bottom of the candles. We also have reversal risk on the top and bottom of candles, and we also have these dots on the top and bottom of the candles. What we'll go over first is the take profits. So you get into this buy risk 5 right here, this yellow one that I'm hovering over that you can see my crosshairs on, and we jump up here and it comes up and we get a take profit. Now this is typically as it says where you'd want to take profit. Depending on what other indicators you have on your chart, maybe like RSI, MACD, you might only take a little bit, but typically it's very profitable to follow our take profit signals. Yes, as we see, it kept running here, but as you see over here off this buy risk 3, it came up, we got a reversal risk if you stayed in it, up to this take profit, it didn't keep going like it did after this take profit signal over here. So as you'll begin to see as you use Vision more and more, Vision is designed to keep you safe. Vision is designed to where at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, you are going to be and stay profitable no matter what. And so as you see on the bottom, we also have take profit signals and reversal risk on the bottom side of the candles. What this means is these signals here on the bottom side of these candles are always for the sell signals, because these sell signals, remember, these sell signals are designed to be short signals. So if you see this momentum sell here, you see this sell, you see this sell, these are all designed for you to be going short. Grab a short position. These buy signals are designed for you to be going long. So we also have take profit signals and reversal risk signals for all of your short positions. The reversal risk signal is pretty simple. It's self-explanatory. This kind of means that there's a lot of indecision right there, and basically proceed with caution. Now, I'm not going to go too much into the honest dots here that you see above and below the candles, because we have a very good explanation on our website. But what these are indicating is they're designed to show you just very quickly how much profit percentage you would be up on your position if you got in here on this last signal. So this first colored dot is going to be 5%, and then it keeps going up from there, and all the way up to you see these lime green dots, and that means that you're up 25% and more since that last signal. So they come after buy signals or your long position. They also come after sell signals or your short position. If you have any other questions, please be sure to join our Vision Algo Discord. This is where all of us hang out all day. We live stream every day. We chat. You can also come here to the support channel. You can ask any questions you need. So we'll link this in the email that you get once you subscribe to Vision. As you can see, we have a lot of chats here. We have subscriber option, crypto, swing, penny stocks, forex, futures, OTC stocks, a couple other little goodies there. A lot of helpful people here. It's really just all one big family. So make sure you join. Well, of course, like I said, we'll link this in the email you get once you subscribe to Vision. If you guys have any other questions, come over here to our support tab in Discord and feel free to ask any questions you have.